Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your online privacy and want to stop Pinterest from personalizing ads based on your activity across other websites, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable ad personalization using your site info on Pinterest. This process is quick, easy, and can make a real difference in the ads you see while browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. You'll find this at the top of the screen. Just give it a tap. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the settings option. On most devices, this appears as a small gear icon or 3 dots in the corner. Tap on it to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Data. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your personal information and how Pinterest uses it. Within the Privacy and Data section, locate the Ads Personalization settings. Here, you'll see an option that says Use Info from sites you visit. This feature allows Pinterest to personalize the ads you see based on your activity on other websites. If you want to disable this, simply toggle the switch off. A confirmation message may appear, letting you know that turning off this setting could change the types of ads you see. Confirm your choice, and that's it. You've successfully disabled ad personalization using site info on Pinterest. Taking these steps helps ensure that your browsing activity outside of Pinterest isn't used to target you with ads on the platform. It's a simple way to get more control over your privacy and make your Pinterest experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. See you next time.